Sleeping under the stars, camping tips and tricks. Are you getting ready for a camping trip? Are you prepared to learn about what could possibly happen when you're out there camping? While you may think you know the basics, it is never a waste of time to become familiar with some great camping ideas. Keep watching for some helpful tips. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. When packing for your camping adventure, make sure you pack only what you need for mealtimes. If you are at the campground, your food will have to stay cold so it does not spoil. If you are on the trail, any additional or excess food can be a burden. If you pack just enough food for the time you are on the trail, you will not be weighed down by excess weight. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. Make sure that you avoid any venomous plants. A good way to do this is to stop at the ranger station and ask what kinds of poisonous plants are in the area so you can identify them if you come into contact with them on the trail. Never eat anything while hiking on the trail if you do not know it is edible. Try to go swimming when you are camping. When camping, you may find you miss your home shower. By taking a dip in a pool, lake or river, you will have fun and feel clean and refreshed at the same time. Take along a box with essential supplies when you go camping. Include things like stick matches, a flashlight, cooking tools and hand cleaner. Prepare in advance. Think about all the things you might need days before you leave on your trip, especially if you will be far from any store. Now that you've read these tips, you should be aware of things that you must prepare for prior to your camping trip. Camping isn't fancy, but it does require preparation. By using the insights discussed here, you'll have a fun and memorable experience. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.